Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Inorganic Chemistry, the world of inorganic chemistry. Uh, Today we discuss about the thermodynamics and kinetic stability and multiple choices. Previously we discussed about the topic, about the explanation and theory of this topic, but now we can understand about some multiple choices questions. First, why is controlled oxidation needed? ऑक्सीडेशन नीडेड जो है उसको कंट्रोल क्यों किया जाता है लॉस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए. इन विच फेज इज ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ हायर मॉलिक्यूल वेट डन, दैट इज़ वेपर. ऑक्सीडेशन फेज के अंदर जो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट जो है वो किसका ज़्यादा होता है, वो वेपर्स का. एक्सटेंट ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड बाय. ज़्यादा ऑक्सीडेशन किससे कंट्रोल की जाती है? टेम्परेचर से भी, ड्यूरेशन से भी, या ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट भी अच्छा यूज़ करके. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑल ऑफ द मेंशन्ड. कंट्रोल इन ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस कैन बी डन बाय ऑल ऑफ द मेंशंस. मतलब ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस जो है वो इन तीनों को कंट्रोल करने से, टाइम भी, टेम्परेचर भी और अ गुड कैटलिस्ट. Is oxidation of lower molecular weight paraffins hydrocarbon under high pressure possible? Yes. Non-catalytic oxidations of aromatic hydrocarbons is slow at which temperature? इसमें हमने टेम्परेचर बताना है जिसमें नॉन कैटलिस्टिक ऑक्सीडेशन जो है एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स की, मतलब जो हमें ऑर्डर देते हैं, जिनके अंदर ऑर्डर होता है, दैट इज़ बिलो 500. Temperature is below 500. Removal of energy during the reaction leads to what? Limit the reaction. Catalysts are also used to direct the reaction towards the desired product. True. Vapor phase oxidation can be readily effective to which type of compound? Obviously volatile. Which is kinetically inert? CO3. Which statement is incorrect? The statement C is incorrect. In a dissociative interchange mechanism, bond breaking dominates over the bond formation. जबकि ऐसा नहीं होता, bond formation जो है is dominant over the bond breaking. In 12, the reaction in front of you followed by NH3 reaction 2 are ways of for preparing cis. मतलब इसके अंदर से 1 सिस और 2 सिस आएगा. मतलब सेकंड ऑप्शन के अंदर आपके पास 1 सिस और 2 ट्रांस है, वो गलत होगा. थर्ड वाला ऑप्शन जो है वो हमारे पास करेक्ट है. क्वेश्चन 13, विच स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द ट्रांस इफेक्ट एंड ट्रांस इन्फ्लुएंस इज करेक्ट? द ट्रांस इफेक्ट is ground state effect, whereas the trans influence has a kinetic origin. It's true. Question number 14, the usual form of experimental rate law for substitution in square planar complexes contains two terms. इसमें आपके पास rate आपके सामने है. The reason for two-term law is that the solvent competes with the Y in the rate determining step. जो Y है उसके साथ जो solvent है वो क्या करता है? compete करता है. Which ordering correctly the variation in the rate of water exchange in high spin aqua complex MOH2 6 N plus, that is chromium 2 plus N3 plus. In the first step in Wilkins mechanism for Ml6 undergoing the Y for L substitution is formation of weakly bound encounter complex. Marcus Hersh theory applies to outer sphere electron transfer. Racemization of a chiral complex such as chromium OX3 is least likely to occur by the Ray-Dart-Twist mechanism. Which statement is incorrect about the mechanism of electron transfer? Marcus-Hersh theory applies to inner sphere mechanism, that is wrong. In the base catalyst, substitution of chlorine by the OH negative in copper ammonium chloride under the strongly basic condition, the first step in the mechanism is conversion of amine into amido ligand. जो amine है NH3 amido ligand के अंदर क्या होता है, कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. In an inner sphere electron transfer reaction, which of the following ligand could not act as a bridging ligand? 1,10-phenanthroline. Which ordering correctly describes the tendency of a ligand to direct ligand substitution in a square planar complex to position opposite to itself? Cyanide, N2-bromine, and ammonia. First is correct. Anation is what the substitution of an uncharged ligand by an anionic ligand. Which experimental technique operates on the faster time scale, nanoseconds? Flash photolysis. Three of the following ions are kinetically inert. One is labile. Which one is uh, Ti3 plus? For a ligand substitution reaction, which statement about the volume of activation is correct? A large negative value of delta V indicates a associative mechanism. The average residence time for a water molecule in the first coordination sphere is approximately 10 seconds. ये 10 raised to power 10 है, minus 10. The value of the water exchange or constant is therefore 10 raised to power 10 per second. The kinetics of the isomerization of the cis to trans can be followed by IR spectroscopy. Which of the following region of the IR spectrum would you focus on to the monitor of the reaction? That is 2000 to 1800 cent per centimeter. An Eyring plot allows you to find the activation parameter. Delta H is not equal and delta S is not equal from the temperature T dependence on the rate constant. What would you plot against what is typical Eyring graph? Natural log of K by T against 1 over temperature. In coordination chemistry, the donor atom of a ligand is the atom is ligand that accept a share in electron pair from the metal. Consider a coordination compound. A coordination compound को consider करें, that is sodium platinum cyanide. The Lewis acid इसमें कौन सा होगा? cyanide. क्रिस्टल फील्ड थ्योरी का इससे रेलिवेंट है एक ऑप्शन. स्ट्रॉन्ग फील्ड लिगेंड सच एज साइनाइड यूजुअली प्रोड्यूस लो स्पिन complexes and a high crystal field splitting. A molecule that cannot be superimposed on the mirror image is said to be exhibit which of the following optical isomerism? In which of the following species does the transition metal ion have D3 electronic configuration? Chromium, ammonia. What is the oxidation state of central metal atom in the coordination compound of platinum ammonium chloride? Chlorine is +2. Given the list of ligands and their corresponding names, choose the pair that disagree. Cyanide. Select the correct IUPAC name for this diquarter fluorophorate 3 ion. Select the correct IUPAC for this hexaamine cobalt 2 ion. Which of name of the formula combination is not correct? Pentacyanomecanate 2 ion is not correct. What will be the value of delta H if the forward and reverse reaction have same energy of activation? जब सेम होती हैं तो दोनों कैंसिल आउट हो जाते हैं और जो डेल्टा H की वैल्यू वो 0. What is the molar entropy change for melting of ice of 0 degree if delta HF is equal to 1.435 kilocalories per mole? Then the molar entropy will be 5.26 calories over mole K. What is the function of catalyst in chemical reaction? Does not affect the equilibrium constant of reaction. दूसरा इसका ये भी होता है कि ये जो है आपके रिएक्शन को फास्ट करता है उसके रेट को ज़्यादा करता है, लेकिन ये जो है इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता. What will be work done by 3 moles of an ideal gas when it expands spontaneously in a vacuum? वर्क डन ज़ीरो होता है इससे आइडियल गैस का. Find the temperature at which the below reaction will be in equilibrium in the enthalpy and entropy change for the reaction is 30 kilojoule per mole and 105 kilojoule per mole respectively. इसके अंदर हमने बताना है इंथाल्पी और एंट्रोपी चेंज, तो दैट इज़ 285.7. इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर and method by which we can deduct this answer, which is the due for entropy of a spontaneous reaction delta S, that is system, and delta S surrounding less than 0. An ideal gas is expanded isothermally at 300 K from 1 liter to 10 liters. Find delta E for this process. हमें R की वैल्यू दी हुई है और जब हम इसका आंसर फाइंड आउट करते हैं, द आंसर विल कम 0. Delta H for the reaction N2 plus 3H2, आंसर इज MO2 अमोनिया. डेल्टा H की वैल्यू होती है डेल्टा E minus 2RT, which is true for the entropy of a spontaneous reaction delta S system and delta S surrounding less than 0. The value of Ksp for the iron hydroxide is 2.6 into 10 raised to power minus 39. What is solubility of FeOH3 in mole per decimeter cube? That is 9.9 into 10 raised to power minus 11 mole per decimeter cube. The solubility of Ag2SO4 is 1.4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 mole per decimeter cube. What is the value of Ksp? 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Thank you.